Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we're going to discuss about the different styles of creatives that you can use, what is the best possible way of actually getting the best out of them. So I'm going to start with the different styles. First of all, we have the images, okay? You need to not use a lot of text on them, and you need to have something which is going to be intriguing. Images are lacking a little bit in terms of not being, not showing so much information. So I think that the other category, which is the videos, is always a little bit better. It's performing better most of the times, and you should not put them together when you're testing because it's not fair. I'm going to do a separate video about why it's not fair to put them together. For now, keep that, you don't have to use them together. Now, when we go to videos, we have the UGC videos, user-generated content videos. So when you're putting influencers to actually use the product in order to show to people how to use it and stuff, and because they are influencers, they have some credibility that they're using it. I want to point out something. It's completely different. Let's say that we want to sell this bottle of water, okay? A good influencer, a bad influencer is going to do this, okay? This is a bad influencer. Do you know what a good influencer is going to do? He's going to go to the gym, he's going to get sweaty, okay? He's going to start working, and at some point he's going to do one thing, and he's going to do that. This is the best water, guys. I'm having this water all the time with me. I cannot live without it. So, it doesn't look like an advertisement like this, okay? He's putting it in his personal routine. The other way that a lot of people think that they're influencers, then they can just take a product, smile, and do this, and being pretty and stuff, well, it's so outdated. It's super outdated. You need to ask from your influencers, if you want to spend your money properly, to be able to produce content with your products instead of just taking some stupid pictures or a stupid video that they just talk about the product or whatever. These are outdated things, okay? You need to have something which is going to be closer to the reality and the routine of the people, the daily routine of the people. The other style of videos or images is the videos that they're explaining the product. So if you're having a technical product, a tech product, you can have different videos with graphics that they show from what is being built off, what is the use. Another way that people do it is that they take this product and they put it in different instances so that you can see how you can use the product. Because at the end of the day, we need to understand that when you're having creative, you need to show to the people how they're going to use it. Why telemarketing advertisement is so effective? Because with this stupid gray portrait, it shows that this is not good. You need to buy this so that you can be in the colorful side, okay? And it's showing you how to use the product and why you need it. With the gray pictures that they have, they show you why you need this product and why your life is difficult without this product. So you need to explain to different situations why you need the product. For example, let's say that we are selling a t-shirt. Don't just show the t-shirt if you can. Just show 3 people drinking coffee, wearing the t-shirt and having fun, which means that you are showing a lifestyle with the t-shirt, okay? It means that you are showing someone that is wearing the t-shirt and is having very good fun with his friends because he's having a great time. Are you selling shoes, for example, okay? Let's say leather shoes. Don't show just the leather shoes and the quality and stuff. You can show, for example, the leather shoes, as we said, and do just a breakdown of the items that they compare the leather shoes so that you can show the quality. But you can focus also on the lifestyle. You can show an independent man that he's dressing with his costume, he's wearing his shoes, and he's drinking a very nice drink with a beautiful lady. So it's all about the message that you want to pass so that the person can relate and say, the consumer can relate and say, oh my God, I also want to be this person that I'm going to live this experience. For me, these are the most important ways of actually showing your products in either it's video or anything else. Because, for example, for the previous example that I gave with lifestyle, it can be a picture. A picture can be very strong. It can be 3 friends laughing with their t-shirts and stuff. Very good branding, okay? And also don't forget that you need to watch your influencers closely, because I see a lot of people losing money to influencers that they don't even deserve 1 cent, okay, to be given to them. and everybody wants to be an influencer, but there are a few people that they know how to be influencers. Now, the other thing that I want to say is that there's one very, very important tip to whatever we said. Whatever creative you're going to choose, whatever you're going to do, you need to understand that you are not the person that you are deciding what is going to happen and who is going to buy. The buyers are going to decide. This is how it goes. This is why you are a B2C company. I would like to tell you a story that I had some years ago. I had one client. He was having a glass that you can put on the refrigerator unit, and this glass was going to be iced so that you can pour wine to it, because you don't want to put in your red wine actually ice cubes, because it's going to make it watery. So the concept is that you put it on the refrigerator and you come and you pour it in and you have cold red wine. I told him that we need creatives and stuff, and he went into the trouble of taking a very professional crew and stuff, and he produced, I believe, 2 or 3 videos with 3K, okay, which is a crazy amount of money for producing just 2 videos. And I told him at that point that you don't have to be super crazy with creating 1 or 2 videos and stuff, because we might test it and it might going to fail. And guess what happened? His wife came home, took her mobile phone, which by the way they have amazing cameras right now, and took this video that I'm going to explain. She's coming home, she's going to the refrigerator, taking the glass, which is iced, then takes the wine, pours in, and opens the Netflix. Boom, that's it. This video that his wife created with 0 budget, it had 85% more sales than the other one, okay? Which is crazy, and which proves actually my point. So the most important tip, whatever your creative is going to be, is this. You need to be able to produce content in a medium to good quality super fast, okay? You should not produce content every 2 or 3 months, because you might take all of this effort and you might test it and it's going to fail. So you have to be efficient. You have to be able to test. And of course, test all the time, okay? Test all the time. Try to find the creative that's going to work. There's no way, I have even clients that they have very strong opinion about their brands, because they are the ones that they have created them. They are the brands, okay, behind the brands. But sometimes they even fail themselves on the creatives that are going to work or not. Okay, so in my opinion, the people are deciding, so you need to go like this, and you need to test, and be efficient and super fast in the production of the content that you're going to test. So the reason that we like to test so much is because we don't know the outcome. We don't know which video the people are going to like. And whoever says that I want to use this video because I know that it's going to be successful 100%, it really reminds me of all of these people that they think that they can predict the future or whatever. So for me, my opinion, your opinion, someone else's opinion doesn't matter. What really matters is the opinion of the people that they're actually going to buy the product. So don't just trust your intuition, or don't just trust your friend's opinion about the creative. Just test it. So that's all I had about the creatives. I hope that you find this information useful. It's a little bit of theory, but creatives are very important for Facebook ads. Don't forget that if you want to learn more about Facebook ads, like this story that I tell you, and it's from my book, you can read my book or check my free course. And don't forget, guys, that until we meet again, you have to be creative and you have to be consistent.